Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. This video I'm going to share you the strategy for Bank Nifty weekly options, and this video we are going to know about the range of the Bank Nifty for the next week. And we expected yesterday two option trading strategies that was giving you profit in the morning, and finally it reaches our maximum loss point, and how we are going to lose money, how much, and everything we are going to see in this video. And anyone who new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies, so that will give you benefit about our intraday trading and positional trading. So first of all, what are the trading thing which we have taken for a study yesterday? And Bank Nifty option strategy, that is a long call butterfly and long put butterfly. So both the sides we are taking a butterfly strategies with the strike prices, different strike prices. But the important things we have to understand from the strategy. So what we are going to trade on the or what we are going to understand, that is what risk reward ratio. So the very important thing is risk reward ratio. So what we have taken yesterday, so for example long put butterfly, so that strategy we took yesterday with the 19,700 put option. We sold, right, with the two lot quantity yesterday around 293, and again we have taken 20,000 put option long, that is what we are buy the options with 20 quantity, and that means one lot. We have taken one lot at 469, and again we are taken 19,400 and put option. We are taken a long one lot at the price of 160. So these are the strategy which we are taken. Then the maximum reward what we are going to gain, it's around 5,000 rupees, and initially the trade around 11:30 the trade was giving you 700 to 800 rupees profit. It was running a 700 to 800 rupees profit. That time Bank Nifty were trading 19,900, 930 and 40. So that time it gives you 700 to 800 profit. And what the risk we have taken for the trade is around 870 rupees is our risk, and reward we know that reward is more than 5,000 rupees. But here what happened, the risk was triggered and we lost around 700. So what is our perfect thing? And finally what is the loss for the trade? So this option finally went to 0, and this option goes to 0, and this option goes to 0. Here you got a profit around 11k, and here you got a loss around 9k. Here you got around 3k loss. So it's approximate value. So when you calculate what are the risk, so 9 plus 12k is your loss, and 11k profit. Finally you are ending with 1k, so that's around 870 rupees. Let's check with the chart and how it happened. So here you see what are the our range where the market going to settle. So 19,440 to 19,956. If market close in between the range, sure we are going to make money. But market goes above or behind this level, so we are going to lose, but the loss amount would be the maximum amount. Yesterday lot of questions I got, how much I am going to lose. The what you fix the loss, that 870 rupees is the maximum loss which you are going to lose in the trade. For example, when our range for the stock is 19,556, but now the Bank Nifty is 20,200 near. Okay, here we are not losing much than what our initially fixed the risk. So here initially we fixed the risk up to 869, and we lost around 872. This is the difference between one option which settled by 0.15, but finally all the options is 0, and this is what exactly what happened in our trade. And opposite another trade which we have taken, so that is also be the perfect one. So again there also we got some 700, 800. That options market trade on opposite way. So we trade with the put options, all the put options goes to 0, that time we are lose money. While we are trading on the call options, how it gives you profit or how it gives you loss. So what we are expected and doing with the long call butterfly, so that is also the strategy we are taken for a trade yesterday, and the risk and reward we already fixed for the trade. So here what we have done, 19,600 call and 19,300 call. So these are the strike prices which we are taken for a trade, 19,900 call. So here we sold and we bought and again we bought. So what we did the trade, and here we done two lots with 345, it went up to 666, and this option we have bought around 525, it's ending with a 968, and another option which is we took around 199 and ending with a 368. Okay, so now, so what we are taking the risk for the trade is around 580, and we are taking a reward of 5000 plus. But what happened, this trade also not triggered because we are expecting the level for the trade. So we have to calculate the range for the stocks. The stock, it triggers our range, so it not closed in between the range, so that's why we are not able to get a good profit. But even though market went up, so here if you are doing the trade, because we started here, you lost around 12,800 is a loss, and opposite options 8,800 and 3,300, you got a profit. Again also you lost just 580 rupees on the trade. If I show the profit pay up charts about this strategy, how you are going to get it. So here the strategy which you are taken for a yesterday's trade, long call butterfly, here you see there will be 12,800 loss in the shorting call option, and remaining two call option which gives you the profit, and finally you are ending with the loss of just 580 rupees. And we are expecting the range for the bank nifty is around 19,300 and 19,866. This is what the range. If market close in between the range, this is what our profit points when the market close in between the range. So market is broken our range, we are expecting in between range, in between the range, but not happen. So 20,267 is the closing price about bank nifty, the spot price. And but what we decided the risk for the trade, we got it. And initially if you are took the both the trades, initially we are taking around 800 plus 500 risk, so somewhere around 1200, the same strategy which gives you 1400 rupees plus profit in the morning. So when anyone who taken the position, they may realize that kind of profit. So even if you are compared to the risk reward ratio, it gives you somewhere around 1:1. But we lost some smaller amount, but any trade which we are taken right chance, so we are going to make huge benefit. So that will give you some nice result for your trading strategies. Okay, and that's about this last two videos, and today we'll see about tomorrow's this week level about bank nifty. So let's check that what is the level for a bank nifty which we can go for a next month contract. So the future bank nifty is trading 20,109, the last trade price on 23rd today, that is 23/4/20. This is the price as per historical volatility. The bank nifty having a highest movement of 2,600 point or lowest movement of 1,820 point. This is based on HV, historical volatility. So as we expected, as per the historical volatility, the higher range about the bank nifty is 21,929 is the maximum range, and next maximum range is 22,782 as per this higher level, and this is what lower level. And the lowest range for the bank nifty, which we can take the lowest range for the bank nifty is around 18,288 and 17,435. This is the bottom level about the bank nifty. If you are going for taking implied volatility, if you are go for a implied volatility, you are going to get a maximum of 1,600 points and minimum of 1,089 points. This is what the maximum minimum level expected based on the IV for the next 7 days for the 30th April expiry. 30th April expiry, these are the levels, and based on these level, what we are going to expect the bank nifty, which can move 21,700 is the maximum level, and the minimum level which is 21,198, and the downside level where it is 18,508 is the maximum level and 19,019 is the minimum level. So these are the expected level for a bank nifty. And the ATM options, how much the premium about ATM options. So ATM options, what is the premium about ATM? 20,200 call plus put. What is the premium is around 555 as well as 655. So this is the total premium about bank nifty, call plus put of 20,200. Here how much you are going to get? 1,210 points. So your expected movement is minimum up to 1,089 and 1,600. So we took 1,600 points. So long straddle should be the best strategy. So while if you are investing 1,200, so you are going to get plus 400 rupees as a profit if you are doing. And if you are having a highest investment of 3:2 and 1:2, or that is 2:1 or 3:2, the strategy should be the best for bank nifty. We can buy the bank nifty for the next contract. So and also the bank nifty having highest volatility, because of this is the last expiry of this month, April contract, which is going to be expire the next week by the monthly contract expiry. Okay, sure shot it will have the biggest movement. So we will take the highest level about the bank nifty. This is the highest level about the bank nifty, which will easily reach. So you can go for 1,210 and you are expected 1,600 or 1,800 or 2,600, whatever the maximum point. So in this scenario you can go for a 3:2 or 2:3. So that kind of trade strategy which you can apply for a bank nifty, that will give you nice result if you find out the direction. Or if you don't know the direction, you can go for this 3:2 strategy, that will give you nice result. That's about this video, and I hope this video may be useful. And thanks for being with me, and thanks for support. And day by day we are getting more subscribers, and thank you for my subscribers. And that's about this video. And if you have any other questions, you can comment. And if you like this video, like and share to your friends. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you very much.